Today I will show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. Now this caravan was sitting in a compound for almost 2 years, so I'm pretty sure there was lots of mice inside and this won't look too nice. The cabin air filter is located just here under the glove box. So first open the glove box. Now I will need to use both of my hands because I have to push here and here to get the glove box down. Okay. And the cabin air filter is just behind this cover right here. There is some kind of X here or whatever, so I'll have to put my glove on so I don't touch with my fingers. Okay, and this looks disgusting. I'm not sure if those are what kind of animal would be here, because I don't think this is mice. But anyways, here is the cabin air filter. So just use like small pliers or two screwdrivers or whatever it works for you to pull it just straight out like this. This is disgusting. Yeah, would you look at this? Wow. Wow. I've never seen this in my life. Jesus Christ. Yep. Yeah, so what will happen, this car will have to go through detailed cleaning of engine compartment and all the air hoses and everything. But yeah, here is the cabin air filter. Yours will not look like this. There could be a bit of dust in it, but that's it. So yeah, once you pull it out, you buy a new one, just put it back in the same way the old one was in, and that's done. It literally takes you like a couple of minutes to replace it. So don't go to shop, spend your money on their labor, because this is one of the easiest parts to replace.